Identify employee training needs. Employees need to be trained from time to time so that they will be updated on the new skills that are needed for their job. Included in the training are the newly hired employees, and if they are put together with those that are already long-time employers, you as the trainer will have a hard time thinking where to start the training since their skills and knowledge are of different levels. To have an effective employee training, you need to identify first the things that the employees need to improve on or skills that they need to learn. Here are some ways on how to identify employee training needs. Create a checklist in which the important skills and knowledge that employees need for them to be effective in their job are included. Include the employee's knowledge of his job and what the scope and limitations of his job are. Once you have made the checklist, have a list of the employees that you are going to observe. Allot a time for each employee so that you can observe him well. If it has to take a few days to be able to observe them all, adjust your time schedule so that you will be able to get your just observations. With your checklist in hand, observe each of your employees and use the checklist as a guide in assessing the skills and knowledge of each of the employees. That way, you will know what to look for and what to observe in an employee. You should also take into consideration their working environment when you are observing and assessing how they work. Once the observation has been done, use the checklist as the basis for the topics that you are going to discuss in their employee training needs. Through this checklist you will know the weaknesses of the employees and what skills should be improved. After you have checked the papers, arrange a meeting with your employees and inform them of the training. Make sure that everybody is present when you announce this so that if there are questions and clarifications they can be immediately addressed. Since you have already checked the papers of the employees and have seen their weaknesses and skills that need to be improved, it is best to group the employees by categories. For example, if there are some employees that need to improve their communicating skills with their clients, group them into one category. That way you will be able to save a lot of time in training and the target topics that need to be improved will be discussed efficiently by the right employees that need the improvement. Efficient planning of the training for the employees will help a lot in saving time as well as properly disseminating the needed information to the employees. As long as you are able to correctly identify the training needs of the employees, you can be assured that they will be able to improve for the betterment of the company.